Hi everyone, I'm Joe Newman, this is HowEasy, and today I will show you how to convert docx or Word to PDF online. Enjoy! We will work with SmallPDF.com. I will give you link under the video and we can start. I've prepared here my Word document docx and we can easily drag and drop this document to our area on the website, and now we have here our document without any watermarks, without everything, and we can easily just click download and we can check that we have our document. It's possible to click in the content and go for our headline. So it works and we don't have any watermarks on the end of our document. Thank you so much that you watched this video, and I hope that we will see again next time. If you like this video, click like or subscribe or comment this video and stay tuned. Ciao.